The history of the University of the Philippines in the Visayas, if chronicled, would certainly include Cha Meli's store Read. Cha Meli has been here since 1965. She started her Changge when she was 30 years old. The Mestiza Chinese was born here in the Philippines. She just had an eye operation.
Ano ka na diri ka dugay?
Almost 40 years na.
Kamusta na imo nga gioperahan nga mata?
Mayo naman, ay mga 1 week na. Ang July 24 pa na. Okay na.
Her place was the hangout of UP, the people, especially the students. The people were very much at home at Meli's place because practically it was only UPD people drinking and doing happy there. And sometimes
From a small Changge and a modest hardware store, Cha Meli was able to nurture the business. What makes Cha Meli's store different is that it offers everything UP students need, from photocopies to internet services. Cha Meli just sits there, waiting for students to come and buy anything they need.
May ilong, may gasugal, pero hindi mo nakabad ang image ng Meli. Mayroon exchange of idea.
Sa una, may sa punta, kung magabihan sila, mga 12 o'clock, hindi na sila gawa. Hindi na sila na naman, dati sunda na sila katulog. 3 kalamisada.
Editha, her pure Chinese sister-in-law, is a big help to Cha Meli, especially now that her husband is not as strong as the young Mr. Cho has been.
Mga pila na kamo katuig na mag-asawa kay?
Adugay ay 1965.
Ano siya to klase nga asawa, si Cha Meli?
Toto is the one in charge of their computer cafe.
Nabuli mo ko sa wala siya sa salon. Nabuli mo siya sa buwan. Tapos ang binta mo na nabuli mo sa mga expenses.
Meli's store sent all her children to school and buy this piece of land. In the afternoons, Cha Meli store is teeming with UP students. It is everybody's favorite tambayan. Meli store becomes most alive in the evenings. The Thank God It's Saturday student rituals are celebrated nowhere else but here.
Siyempre, naman yung pinamamalikawan mga research paper, internet service, di ba? Ay lapit sa campus na.
After the last of the boisterous crowd has left, Cha Meli and the rest of the household team clean up. Whew! What a long day. Meli's store epitomizes the spirit of typical UP students. Cha Meli herself is a self-proclaimed UP loyalist. In fact, she does something what other full-fledged UP students cannot. Sing our alma mater song.
Ang
Siya,